Good afternoon, welcome to Jungin Hotel. How may I assist you?
Yes, I want to stay here.
Have you made reservation before, miss?
Of course.
Alright, may I have your name, please?
My name is Alpha.
Alright, Miss Alpha, could I spell your name, please?
Yes, please.
Alright, well, so, as for Sarah, it's for hotel, A for Alpha, F for Foxtrot, A for Alpha, A for Alpha, Y for Yankee, and U for uniform. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. May I borrow your identity card?
Of course, here you are.
Please wait a moment, I will check it first.
Of course.
Thank you for waiting, yes. You have booked one deluxe room for one night. Check-in today and check out on 2nd of September, is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
This is your identity card and this is your key. We hope you enjoy staying with us. If you have any problem, you could come to the reception or you could dial number 0 to reception.
Thank you.
My pleasure.